I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Protection History area in your security app and immediately note the most recent entries so you know what changed. Once done, export or screenshot logs to preserve evidence. This prevents accidental loss during fixes. Make sure to run a quick scan to refresh entries, then identify repeated or unknown items by event ID and file name. This gives you a focused list to investigate next and avoids chasing irrelevant results or resetting useful detections. Now diagnose each flagged item. Open Quarantine to inspect file details and verify origin by checking digital signatures, file path, or hash against trusted copies. If a file is legitimate, mark it as allowed and whitelist the folder. If suspicious, remove and submit to the vendor for analysis. Once choices are made, update virus definitions and run a full scan to clear lingering artifacts. This step reduces repeat detections and teaches the protection engine what to consider safe versus malicious going forward. To finish, clear or archive old protection history only after you backed up exported logs and confirmed scans are clean. This prevents clutter and makes future events obvious. Reboot the system, run one more full scan, and confirm no new detections appear. This validates the fix. If items persist, reset the security app to defaults or reinstall it, and then contact vendor support with your exported logs for deeper analysis. A single troubleshooting tip. If everything fails, safe mode scans often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.